Today we can finally start exploring Melbourne. Welcome to Queen Victoria Market. Trading hours. Today is Friday, 6 AM until 3 PM. Seems like that is closed. Victoria street shops open. Not really. Everything is closed.
No.
But where is
It's just a parking slot. Here.
Danger. Construction site. But the construction site right over here is only for the parking slots. But the market itself is right over there. Here. Queen Victoria Market. What's happening February to June 2022. Work area, noise, pedestrian access. Let's go. By the way, Fabienne made her first Instagram story yesterday and I need to force her to do one right now again because I mean the day had already started and she hasn't made any Instagram story. Have you already made an Instagram story for today? We should do it right now. So the Queen Victoria Market is a historic market which was closed for a long time and just reopened a couple of days ago. And some shops are still closed. Look at those paintings. That's really cool. And as the market just reopened a couple of days ago, only a few people are around. And we are already headed to our next destination as the capacity of our backpacks regarding space and weight is limited. I really would like to buy some stuff at the Victoria Market, but there's no chance. So our next destination today is Brighton Beach. We have to change the train here at Flinders Street Station. And as we still have no SIM card yet, we really need to check where to go so we don't get lost in Melbourne. Flinders Street Station. Platform 13 this way. Is this a train? Whoa! This was super last second. But we made it. And we have arrived at our final destination, Brighton Beach. Using this MAVIC card right over here, which is the way to get around Melbourne. You're paying $6 to get the card and then you can top it up at all times you need it. You need to check in and you need to check out when you hop on and hop off the train. And in the city center you can completely drive for free. That's the so-called free tram zone, which is quite cool. I mean, when you want to get just one or two stations to another location, to another place in the city center, you don't have to pay anything for that, which is quite cool. We are now here at Brighton Beach Station to see the beautiful colored small houses at the beach.
Wir benutzen die ganze Zeit die MAVIC Card. Das macht sich gerade lustig über mich.
No, I really like it that you're doing now an Instagram story. Do you know it's the first time that we're seeing the beach in Australia?
Ja.
It's the first time that we're seeing the ocean in Australia and no one is around. You know, that's the good part about traveling to Australia and Melbourne right now.
I'm sorry.
Whoa! That's crazy. Looks a little bit like New York, Manhattan. Check this view out. You can't really see it. I need my super zoom telelens. So today is a day at the beach, but we can't go into the ocean because our tetris are still new, too new to go into the water. the cool thing about traveling to Australia and to Melbourne right now is no tourists are around. I mean, just look at the trail here, no one. I mean, it's good for us, bad for the Australian people which depend on their tourism. But you should come to Australia in 2022. Oh man, and we are once again completely unprepared. We have no water, nothing to eat with us, and it is really, really warm. It's so warm. This is definitely my most favorite house. That's cool. And to be honest, I was really skeptical this morning when Fabienne told me that she wants to get here, but it is really cool. Is this it or what?
Yeah.
This is the famous house you want us to see. I don't know if it's allowed here, but I mean, as we don't have any internet and mobile data, because our SIM card is not activated yet, I guess it's fine. We are still walking along the beach, but we are so stupid. We brought nothing to drink or to eat and we are so thirsty right now.
Boah, ich werde echt nichts sagen, aber ich glaube, ich habe morgen so einen Fisch.
We're walking here already since a couple of minutes, and as you can see here, I think that we highly underestimate now the way to the next supermarket, because here's nothing, really nothing. Oh. Honey, I need something to drink. Yeah. So we found a kiosk takeaway here, but I guess these prices will be highly overpriced. Honey, I really don't want to pay a shitload of money for water. How much is it?
Sicher, dass das Trinken ist?
Yes, you can drink it. Oh God. Yes. The water over there costs $4. This is for free, and it tastes good. Oh, that's unfair, honey. You got a Coke.
Yeah, but it's cheaper than water.
But you know what's cheaper than a Coke? This free water. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a viewpoint from Melbourne. Oh, this looks so small, the city right now, but in real life it looks totally different. We made it up all the way along the beach, from Brighton Beach up to here, the penguin viewing area. And we're now trying our luck because it is right now 3:30 p.m. and you're supposed to see them, and the best time to see them is at sunset. We are now walking all the way down there, just being in hope that we see penguins. Otherwise, this girl right over there will be very upset. The St. Kilda breakwater is closed, no entry, and the penguin viewing area closed until further notice to reduce the spread of COVID-19. From a scale of 1 to 10, how disappointed are you right now?
10.
Oh no, honey. I feel so sorry for you. So we just left the beach. We're now on our way back to the city, and we are walking since we got off the train this morning. So we're walking since Brighton Beach, and we now are at the St. Kilda West Beach. We don't know where to go, and we don't know how much more we have to walk to get back to the city. How are you feeling right now? We're walking in the middle of a neighborhood. We don't know really where we are. We are lost. We have no idea where to go. And I even can't see the skyscrapers anymore. I mean, skyscrapers were the only points where we orientated us. Left or right, honey? And we also don't see any train, tram or bus station nearby. I mean, even if we would see one, we couldn't take it because Fabienne doesn't have any money left on her MAVIC card, and we only can top it up in the app, but we still got no activated SIM card in a 7-Eleven. But as you can see, no 7-Eleven around, or at a such called top-up machine. But for that we need to find a train or tram station, bus station before we can take it. I don't want to walk anymore. How much we walked already today? 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. We found a train station, but we need the machine to top up the MAVIC card. Is here one machine or? Yes, nothing, right? Doesn't look that good, to be honest. We found a train station, but no machine to top up the MAVIC card. What are you doing?
A few moments later.
Don't tell anyone that we're taking the train without touching on our MAVIC card. This is definitely not the train that we took to get here. So, I mean, the chance is 50-50 that we get stopped by an official. Wish us luck. We made it back. We did not get stopped by anyone. We're getting some groceries and then headed back to our hostel. See you tomorrow. We got so many flies right here. But where are they coming from? Oh man.